Look here, friends, children, and those who are going to study for exams. This is the topic in continuation of pedigree analysis. Diseases due to pedigree analysis. It is part 3, continued here. In the part 3, before we studied about the depiction in the biology with which characteristic and what kind of boxes are used for male, female. Like I told you before, male is for square box, round one is female, and the infected one is shown by female. Infected one will be shown by circle with a filled structure. And then I discuss about hereditary hyperchromatosis, which is the disorder Now further we are going to study about the different kinds of diseases. Arthritis is one kind of a disease which is seen in people with diabetes. It's a joint pain diabetes. Due to the less neuron activity, this arthritis take place. It is caused by the mutation in HFE gene that is located on the chromosome 6, and one mutation leads to the substitution of 282 second amino acid. Cysteine becomes tyrosine. Due to that it happens. Alzheimer's disease. You may have seen many movies showing the Alzheimer's disease in people and how it happens and how it affects the human body. Alzheimer's disease, its simple form is called AD, is the 4th leading cause of death in adults. The incidence of disease rises steeply with age. It is twice as common in women than in men. Symptoms include progressive inability to remember facts and events. Person is not remembering the facts and events. Mutation in 4 genes stimulated or situated on chromosome 1, 14, 19, 21 are believed to play a role in disease, which is Alzheimer's disease. The formation of lesions made of fragmented brain surrounded by beta amyloid proteins are characteristic of this disease. This is with a green color, it is underlined beta amyloid, which is a protein present in this, and on chromosome 1, 14, 19, 21 mutations, it is Alzheimer's disease. Now we come to the disease named Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a brain disorder that leads to shaking, stiffness and difficulty with walking, balance and coordination. Parkinson's symptoms usually begin gradually and get worse over time. As the disease progresses, people may have difficulty in walking and talking. Parkinson's disease can be caused by mutations in the LRRK2, PARK7, PRKN or SNCA gene. Parkinson's disease is inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern. As I told you, autosomal means the disease which is taking place in autosomes of the chromosome, autosome type of a chromosome. Thalassemia. Thalassemia, in this alpha and beta is present. Hemoglobin, what happens in this? Hemoglobin is the protein that is affected in thalassemia. Hemoglobin is made up of heme, alpha globulins and beta globulins. Alpha thalassemia occurs when a mutation in the gene that code for alpha globin results in reduced or absent production of alpha globulins. Beta thalassemia occurs with a corresponding change in beta globin gene. Therefore, the thalassemia are result of qualitative mutation in globin genes alpha and beta. The globin beta gene HBB encodes the beta chain and isolated on chromosome 2. There are 2 copies of hemoglobin alpha gene HbA1 and HbA2, which each encode an alpha chain and located on the chromosome 16. We will talk about now cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is caused by mutation in gene that produce a cystic fibrosis transmembrane conduction regulator CFTR proteins. This protein is responsible for regulating the flow of salt and fluids in and out of the cells in different parts of the body. In people with CF, cystic fibrosis, mutations in CFTR genes can disrupt the normal production or functioning of CFTR protein found in cells of lungs and other parts of the body. Cystic fibrosis is an example of recessive disease. Now we come to the next topic, phenylketonuria. It is short form of it is called PKU. These days in CSIR and GATE exam they are using the short terms like cystic fibrosis CF they will use, for phenylketonuria PKU they will use. These words are used, so you should be acquainted with these words. PKU is an inherited error and metabolism caused by deficiency in the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. From the name here, phenyl, here also it's present, and in the name of the disease also phenyl is present. So you get little bit guess and learn. It's good for easy for memorizing. Loss of this enzyme result in mental retardation, organ damage, unusual posture, and can in case of maternal PKU severely compromise pregnancy. PKU caused by mutations in both alleles of the gene for phenylalanine hydroxylase PAH found on the chromosome number 12. Now then is Tay-Sachs disease. It is caused by a genetic mutation in hexa gene on chromosome 15, which codes for a subunit of hexosaminidase enzyme known as hexosaminidase A. So there are two names for it. Next disease is alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria is a rare inherited genetic disease which is caused by mutation in HGD genes for an enzyme homogeneisate 1,2 dioxygenase. If a person inherits an abnormal copy from both parents, it is a recessive condition. The body accumulates an intermediate substance called homogeneic acid in the blood and tissues. Homogeneic acid and its oxidized form, alkaptonuria, are excreted in the urine, giving it an unusually dark color. Next comes the disease autosomal dominant trait. Dominant trait means which is expressed. Recessive trait means which is not expressed. So autosomal dominant trait is which is expressed but occurring in autosomes of the chromosome. Autosomal dominant mutations are expressed even when only one copy of that mutation is present. They appear in both sexes with equal frequency, and both sexes are capable of transmitting these traits to their offsprings. Every person with a dominant trait must inherit the allele at least one parent. Autosomal dominant trait do not skip generations. Here in this diagram, which is a table of pedigree showing, this is the first generation, this is the second, this is the third. In any of this generation, nowhere the skipping of the affected gene is seen. Here it is in the male, here it is in the female and male, again it is in the female, male, male, female. Points to remember. Points to remember is usually this disease appears in both the sexes with equal frequency. It's sex-linked disease. Both sexes transmit the traits to their offspring. They are transmitting to the offsprings. Does not skip generation. In this disease, it does not skip generation. That's why it's called dominant autosomal. Affected offspring must have an affected parent unless they possess a new mutation. When one parent is affected, heterozygous and the other parent is unaffected, approximately half of the offsprings will be affected. Next point is unaffected parents do not transmit this disease. Autosomal dominant disease is not transferred if unaffected parents. Dear friends, always study hard, keep on doing hard work. There is never a day where hard work will not pay you. You will do hard work and you will win the race. Study again to recall things in your mind. Everybody can do it. Kindly like the video, subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Stay blessed for coming days. Bye bye. Take care.